Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the Sunset Palette from Natasha Denona. I have wanted this for so long, and rightly so. So I've just done this look for you today. I've really only used three colours, and the inner corner colour as well. Look at it, it's to die for. So like I said, I've wanted it for so long and I know now why. I'll show you some swatches at the end of this video as well, and show you the colours as I use them. So today I've used this really light pinky apricot colour in the transition area, and this orange colour in the crease, and then the yellow on the lid, and this one which is called Ice Gold in the inner corner. So if you'd like to follow me through my look today, just keep watching. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and primed my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Invisipink, which is beautiful. So I'm going into my Natasha Denona palette. I have wanted this for so long. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to use for the transition colour is, whoops, this one here. So a very light pinky beige colour, which is called Bermuda. So I'm going in with a fluffy brush. So this is a Sigma E40. So same thing as usual, just tap off any excess that you have on the brush. And I'm going high up in that transition area. That's a beautiful peach colour. So that's nice, it's going on really easily. No problems there. Okay, so I'm going in now with my Smith 235. I'm pretty sure that is, yes, 235. So I'm going in with Horizon, which is the orange colour in the middle there. Sort of like a burnt orange. Now I'm only using three colours today. I'm going to use the yellow on my lid. So I really do want those colours to sort of stand out and stand alone. So just on the tip there, same old thing, I have hooded eyes, so I always look down, I go above where I ordinarily would have a crease. Seeing as my crease is way down here, I do have to go up higher. I just go in with a very light hand and create that shape. I'm not going to blow this out heaps like I normally do. I want to keep that colour quite vibrant in that crease area there. Okay, so I'll go back into that initial brush with a tiny bit of colour on, and I'll just blend the edge of that. Doesn't need much blending at all. I absolutely love these colours. They blended out so easily as well. The colour is just magnificent. I love this palette. Now I did a tutorial, the one before this one, on the Camel palette, and I loved it, but so far I've used two colours from this palette and I absolutely am in love. They're my colours. It's gorgeous. Okay, a little bit of P.Louise Base on my hand. I'm using the 0, which is white basically, so I really want this yellow to pop on my lid. So I'm going in with my concealer brush, just flattening it out, putting the product on. I'll go in and just place a little bit here on my lid, and then just look up, make sure I can get it right to the right spot, so that if anything transfers, it's just going to transfer right to the exact spot there. Okay. So I'm pretty casually just putting this on. I'm not cutting the crease or anything like that. I just want that yellow to really pop. If you're having trouble, if you've got aging eyes, which I do have, just pull your skin back a little bit, just to be able to get that line just a little bit more crisp. Now if you've got hooded eyes when doing this, just make sure that when you've actually gone in with the concealer and done both eyes, just really relax your eyes down. And make sure when your eyes are relaxed, they basically look the same. So you can lift your eyebrows up and it looks all good, nice shape. Excuse me. Yes, they look the same. And then one eye may be slightly different to the other when you actually relax your eyes. So really relax those eyes down and just make sure you've got the same amount of product on both sides there. Goes up and around about the same shape, and you can see about the same amount of product on each eye. So now I'm going to go into the yellow, the bright yellow. Whoops, wrong side. I always do that. It's a beautiful yellow. Now this is the very first time I've ever put yellow on my eyelids. This one's called Sun. So I'm using my Makeup Forever 240, so I'm just placing that down and then just patting the colour on. And just make sure you don't go up over the edge of that concealer. So just keep patting, and that's nice and vibrant. Now as you get down to that little space in the inner corner here, you can change to a smaller brush. I've gone into the Real Techniques Detailer brush, just so I don't be getting the yellow everywhere I don't want it. Now once again, with hooded eyes, just relax your eyes. Make sure that both sides are kind of even when you're just relaxed and looking ahead. Now this one here is a little bit low, but I will fix that because I'll go in on the under eyelash area shortly and connect those anyway. So that's not too bad, but it is something to keep in mind if you've got hooded or droopy or downturned eyes, aging eyes, all of the above. That section when you do let your eyes down and relax them, that it doesn't hang down too far. But we'll pop some orange in there and we'll fix that in a sec. Okay, so I'm going back in with my Smith brush with that Horizon, which was the crease colour, and I'm just going to go over the very edge of that yellow to blend. And then if you like, go back in with your bigger brush, your E40, and then just go back over everything. Okay, so I'll go in with a small smudge brush and I'll go back into the orange colour, which was called, my memory is shot, Horizon. So just on the tip there, tap off any excess, and then underneath the lash line, right up into the lashes, just kind of squish it, go backwards and forwards, and melt that in to your lash line. And then just on my Real Techniques shading brush, I'll go back into that initial transition colour and I'll just blend out that horizon underneath my eyelashes there. Just connect it up with the outside corner there. So I'm just going in with my Rimmel brow this way, as usual, on an angled brush, and just adding a little bit of matte right up underneath my eyebrow, like I always do, and just to basically sharpen up the corner of your brow there. If you've got too much product on, which I just did, just wipe it off and then go back in and blend it down into your shadow. So a little bit of inner corner highlight. I can't do a look without having an inner corner highlight. I think I might go into the Ice Gold, which is a whitish kind of colour. And then just in the inner corner there. I'm going to go ahead and line the waterline with my Nars Rue Bonaparte, which is a nude colour, just to open that eye up a little. Some mascara, so my trusty MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. A couple of coats, why not? Okay, so I'll just pop some lippy on. No liner today. I'm just going over that with the NYX Butter Gloss. I like that. Lippy test. Okay, so that palette is absolutely to die for. I love it. I really love it. So I've obviously only used 3 colours in there today, but there's stacks of stuff you can do. I mean, that is a really dark pinky red sort of colour. There's more of a burnt orange at the top there. Obviously the really dark warm browns in there. Some beautiful shimmer colours as well. I mean, they're just gorgeous. Where's my hand? Down that way. They're just beautiful. So I'll do something with, definitely with the gold. I've done a few copper looks lately, so I may skip that copper color for a little bit, but that's really beautiful. And there's a bronze on the end there as well. And that's another more yellow gold there. So stunning. I'm really glad I purchased it. It's very expensive, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. Okay, so if you liked my video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the notifications bell so you're notified when I do upload more content. Keep being the best version of you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.